Mid-size chair folds compact. Outdoor rocking chair. Equipped with a slightly lower seat and a mid-sized design, this portable folding chair quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Spring action rocking technology. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, this foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and features a built-in beverage holder and phone pocket. Seat height lower than standard chairs for more relaxed experience. Top reviews from the United States. Huge fan of this camping chair. First, I bought a runner-style rocking camp chair from Walmart before I saw this one. The Walmart one you have to put the rocker runners on, or can leave them off for a normal chair. That one is heavier than this one and more bulky. I kept tripping on the runners and it doesn't work well if you're on a slope, it slides easily. This chair has a lot going for it. I am 54 and I can put both of my feet flat on the ground and rock quickly or slowly to my desire on almost any grade. Love that. It has a beer holder that can accommodate a beer and the thick, double-walled koozie. It's really comfortable, easy to fold up, and lighter than the other rocker I had. Very fluid rocking motion, no noise, bit low to the ground, which I like, has a carrying strap but no sack. Really like it. Oh, and the phone holder is okay. I usually use it to keep my cigarettes from blowing away. I don't think the phone flap is big enough for some of the larger phones, like an iPhone 8 Plus and those ilk.